Unit exercise 1. Problem number 1. ரெண்டு ordered pairs equal கொடுத்துக்கிறதுனால first elements equal இருக்கணும், second elements equal இருக்கணும். That implies x square minus 3x equal to minus 2 and y square plus 4y equal to 5. X squared minus 3x equal to minus 2, that gives you x squared minus 3x plus 2 equal to 0. You can factorize this. 1 into 2, 2, so the product must be 2, sum must be minus 3. So it can be split up as minus 2 into minus 1, so that the product is 2, sum is minus 3. That is x minus 2 into x minus 1 equal to 0, x equal to 2 or x equal to 1. Similarly, y square plus 4y equal to 5, y square plus 4y minus 5 equal to 0. Factorize this. 1 into minus 5 minus 5, so the product must be 5 minus 5, sum must be plus 4. So minus 5 can be split up as 5 into minus 1, so that the sum is 4, product is minus 5. That is y plus 5 into y minus 1 equal to 0. That is y plus 5 equal to 0, that is y equal to minus 5, y minus 1 equal to 0, that is y equal to 1. So x equal to 2 comma 1, y equal to minus 5 comma 1. Now problem number 2. Given A cross A has n 9 elements. That means what? Number of elements in A must be 3, because number of elements in A cross A equal to number of elements in A into number of elements in A. That is, number of elements in A cross A equal to number of elements in A the whole square. That is, number of elements in A must be 3. There must be 3 elements in A, then only A cross A will have 9 elements. So for conclusion, number of elements in A is 3. Now it is given minus 1 0 belongs to A cross A. That means minus 1 belongs to A and 0 belongs to A. Similarly, 0 1 belongs to A cross A. That implies 0 belongs to A and 1 belongs to A. Hence minus 1 0 1 they belong to A. So the set A can only be minus 1 0 1, because there are only 3 elements in A that we have concluded earlier. Now A cross A can be written down as usual. Now, what are the remaining elements? You are given the 2 elements. What are the remaining elements? Leaving these 2 elements, that is minus 1 0 and 0 1, the other elements are minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 1 0 minus 1 0 0 1 minus 1 1 0 and 1 1. Now question number 3. Even f of x equal to root x minus 1, if x is greater than or equal to 1, equal to 4 if x is less than 1. We want f of 0. Where is 0? 0 is less than 1. So we have to take f of x equal to 4. So f of 0 is 4. Then what is f of 3? 3 is greater than 1. So we have to take f of x equal to root x minus 1. That is root x is 3. 3 minus 1. So root 3 minus 1, that is root 2. What is f of a plus 1? Now this a is greater than or equal to 0, it is given. So what is a plus 1? E is greater than or equal to 0 plus 1. That is a greater than or equal to 1. A greater than or equal to 1 means first one. So f of x equal to root x minus 1 must be taken. So f of a plus 1 equal to root of, instead of x, a plus 1 minus 1. Root of a plus 1 minus 1, that is root a. Then question number 4. You are given a set A. F is a function from A to set of natural numbers defined by f of n equal to the highest prime factor of n epsilon A. What is f of 9? Highest prime factor of 9 is 3. So f of 9 is 3. F of 10, highest prime factor of 10, that is 5. F of 11, highest prime factor of 11 is 11. F of 12, highest prime factor of 12 is 3. F of 13, highest prime factor of 13 is 13. f of 14, highest prime factor of 14, 7. f of 15, highest prime factor of 15, 5. f of 16, highest prime factor of 16, 2. f of 17, highest prime factor of 17 is 17. So the function f is known. 9 is mapped into 3, 10 is mapped into 5, 11 mapped into 11, 12 mapped into 3, 13 mapped into 13, 14 mapped into 7, 15 mapped into 5, 16 mapped into 2, 17 mapped into 17. So the elements and the corresponding images are known. We can write down the function as a set of ordered pairs. What is range of f? 3, 5, 11, 2, 13, 7, 5, 2, 17. That is the range. Without repetition, it is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17. So that is the range of f. The textbook answer is not right there. Then question number 5. We have got a function f of x, root of 1 plus root of 1 minus root of 1 minus x square. Now we have to find the domain, that is the values of x for which the function is defined. This 1 minus x squared must be greater than or equal to 0 because it is within the root. So it must be either 0 or greater than 0. 1 minus x squared must be greater than or equal to 0. Factorize 1 plus x into 1 minus x must be greater than or equal to 0. The two roots of this 1 plus x into 1 minus x equal to 0 equation is plus 1 and minus 1, minus 1, plus 1. Now there are three intervals, minus infinity to minus 1, minus 1 to 1 and 1 to infinity. It is enough if we find the sign of this 1 plus x into 1 minus x in any one of the intervals, because positive, negative, positive or negative, positive, negative. They will be alternately positive, negative. Now between minus 1 and plus 1, we know 0 is here. Substitute 0. So this will be 1, this will be 1. So it is positive. So within this interval, this 1 plus x into 1 minus x is positive. If this is positive means this will be negative, this is negative. Because negative, positive, negative. Let me repeat. This gives you minus 1, this gives you plus 1, minus 1, plus 1. There are three intervals, minus infinity to minus 1, minus 1 to 1, 1 to infinity. Now between these two, minus 1 and plus 1, you know 0 is there. Substitute 0 and we find 1 plus x into 1 minus x is greater than 0. Greater than 0 means positive. So in this interval it is negative, in this interval it is negative. That is between minus infinity to minus 1 it is negative. Between 1 to infinity it is negative. Between minus 1 and plus 1 it is positive. 1 plus x into 1 minus x must be greater than or equal to 0. That is, it must be positive. So it should lie in this interval minus 1 to plus 1. It can also be 0. So it can be from minus 1 to plus 1, both minus 1 and plus 1 included. So the correct interval, that is solution for this inequality, is the closed interval minus 1 to plus 1. Now instead of taking 0, you can take a number here and check up. You can take a number and check up. You can take a number here and check up that it is negative. You can take a number here and check up that this 1 plus x into 1 minus x is negative.
Hello.